Back, you hear me? Look at my eyes. I ain't tired no more. Nah, I'm a little bit tired. But anyways, today Monday, we back on the road tomorrow. Tuesday. I don't know where we going, where it's gonna be, but we gonna be live. I ain't ready for this no, y'all. I ain't lying. I got Cleo in the back, and y'all just seen the munchkin, but I call her Cleo because she got the braids on her head. But you know how it is. Oh, I wanna show y'all something. Ooh, that boy got that fresh cut with the waves. Look at that. Wait. All you ladies out there, hit me up. Instagram. So boom, before I leave, I'm gonna get y'all a little house tour. Y'all see her. You see the braids? That's our toys. That's our toys. That's our bed. That's our TV. Done. High five. Love you. Aww. Uh-oh. I'm back at the truck, you hear me? New haircut. Fresh clothes. I gotta take the truck out. But they on this road, dog. Just finished fighting that damn Frizz, man. Frizz had me in there forever. I gotta go back and pre-trip my truck. And you gotta go. You gotta get on this road. Routine. Unsnap. Other side. Then raise that bad boy up. I never raised up from this side. Don't it open so smoothly? Fluid good. Y'all can't see it, but the belt's straight. Check it all. Y'all afraid, you hear me? Little nice little something from Walmart. I ain't put the handles on yet. Probably never put the handles on, really. Nice and inside. I gotta plug it up. Shit, but it's lit. You hear me? About to get ready to go. I got a surprise for y'all soon. See? Coming soon. Yes, you already know that. Just finished fueling up. We on our way to Oregon. Portland, Oregon. Now, you thought the snow was bad for me? You know, I'm pretty sure it's snowing there. But I feel even worse about going on the West Coast. The mountains over there is way worse than the mountain it is over on the East Coast. So that's gonna be a hell of a story for y'all right there. I know I don't have so many stories for y'all with that one. So get ready. Don't forget I got a surprise. Y'all see the boy got a hat on. I'm trying to show y'all my haircut every chance I get before I get wolf eating. Man, I bought this dumbass, this old doll ass knife. Look at this man. So dull. Man, I can't. Man, this horrible knife. If y'all got some good suggestions on knives, let me know. Let me know because I need one. But look, before I start rolling again, I want to tell y'all that I'll ask y'all help y'all take your ticket. Man, use my driver code when if you come to Prime, use my driver code. I'm gonna put it up here somewhere, right here, or right there, around here somewhere. Use my driver code as a referral. If y'all want to, it ain't no big a deal. But I hope y'all enjoying these videos as much as I'm enjoying making them. Let's keep it going. We on our way, Oregon. We on our way. You hear me? I really hope it ain't snowing down there when I get down there. Please don't be snowing. I heard about that 100 car pile up what they got down there. Please don't. Put these low lots in this trailer. What the hell? I really don't like putting my phone like this to everybody watching it, but oh well. Yeah. Look at my face, my boy. You see me? What's up? I'm about to get this. Yeah. We on our way, Oregon. We on our way. Come on, man. Yo. Fred? Yeah. You see me? Woo, yeah. We on our way, dog. I put the lock on the trailer already. Thinking that seal right there was a seal I need to put up. It's already to be the good seal. Anyways, they give me a whole new seal, so I got to take that old seal off, take my lock off, and then boom, bam, bop. Hold on. Oh yeah, we secure. Oh yeah, we lock and loaded. Oh, let me get a little tighter. Well, I ain't going tighter than that. But like I said, we secure. We locked and loaded. Tight. Nothing to damage, everything good. Just kind of like a record for me. I'll hop out on this bad boy. Put the sail on, put the lock on, and get out of here. Why I put this lock on and then sail? If y'all want to train with me, let me know, because I'm thinking about becoming a trainer again with Prime. Because I actually like it. And don't get me wrong, it's hard sometimes, but it's not hard all the time. And just because I do these videos and I be having fun, I actually take my job serious. I just like to make it fun, because if I don't make it fun, you bored all day. So talking to myself and doing the shenanigans I be doing, you fire. But nah, I'm put my job record up here. And y'all go to Prime for my job record in. Trust me as a trainer. And maybe I might be, be able to train you. You could be in some of these videos. You know what I'm saying? Sail on, the lock on, call this live load. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that too. The live load call, all you gotta do, which is pretty much sample. Maybe another video. I don't know. We done. It's locked and loaded. Look who got on the truck with me, y'all. Cleo and Munchkin. I ain't gonna show you too much of her because she's a little mad. Yeah, we ain't good. You know my favorite place. What is it called? Dennis. Look, they don't got no damn spaghetti, but next time we better give them spaghetti. It's cool. It's great. We on the road. We got a lot of vlogs coming for y'all now with them in here. Oh, we gonna be rolling. Oh yeah. Hey, y'all want a nacho? You want a nacho? Man, I ain't know Dennis sell this. Let me give you a better view. What is this view right here? Man, this shit look like this is gonna be good. Man, there's a whole gourmet meal. Dennis a whole restaurant. Y'all better come to Dennis and get this. It's called Bourbon Street Chicken. You hear me? Where's the nacho? Alright.
Yeah, turn these niggas in. Yeah, I don't cap on the ground and what my ops do. Shorty said we fuck, but goddamn, I think she lied to you. I'm not in the street, but if it beef, then let that chopper shoot. I'm too busy stacking on my bread, I got no time for you. Gotta run my fucking bands up, I can't be broke like you. Nigga ready, got a man, touched up what they camping do. You ain't got no money, what's the reason here to fuck with you? Nigga lame for real, man, your people don't even fuck with you. Skate off in that new whip, why these niggas steady walking? I went to a Sancho up in Texas, we was ballin'. Can't answer, she said, why I'm in the studio recording. Been ballin' in the 3, I feel like CP in New Orleans. Pull up dumb, I'm in that freeway and I'm good in every party. Drove some baddie on the perks, ain't got no money, gon' retard it. Nigga motherfucker got a versatile, let's get it started. Ayy, nigga man, holla bro, pull up in different artists. Ayy, rock star, I'm no pop star, just so real, nigga. Plus, I've been like this, I never switch since I was little, nigga. I can be a yes man, I gotta keep it real. Plus, I'm a Sagittarius, don't care how people feel. Ayy, hard cold, I mean real cold, damn near froze. Fussing with a broke nigga at pointless, get my pockets swole. I be something from Northern at the bro, he get it for the low. Beat the doors down, now she know it.
This is what I do earlier. The other one. Try to like you got some fucking somewhere to go. Everybody on one side. Look at the asshole coming up my side. Okay, check him out. Where's he in a rush to? Where is he going? That's ice over there. That's purity ice. It's all ice. You have no mist coming from this fucking truck. No spray. Man, get me off this road. So boom. We in Texas. I'm not sure what part of Texas I'm in. See Cleo, big guy? You see Cleo? But anyways, I'm not. What Texas? Huh? We in Henrietta, Texas. Over there, I ain't say it right, but Henrietta. Just Henrietta. Y'all put it together. Texas. We in another snowstorm. You know how I am when I get the snow. I ain't going nowhere. I got 1,800 miles left to go, and I only did 300 a day. This is ridiculous, bro. This is really getting ridiculous. I was gonna try to vlog the whole little thing going straight through, but I'm not. I'm gonna end up vlog right here. Y'all can just do what y'all gotta do with it. You know. Y'all saw the road clips? Y'all saw the super truckers? You know what I'm saying? That's how they drive. Ridiculous. Sliding over the road. It's sliding for dear life and they won't go fast. I'm doing 36. If I gotta do 36, y'all know I ain't driving. Anything under 50, I ain't driving. Stupid. I got my baby in the truck. I ain't messing with it. So I guess I'm gonna do another video while I edit this video because I'm bored and I ain't nothing to do. And it's cool outside. So stay safe, stay tuned. Instagram, subscribe, like, even comment if y'all want to. Yeah.